In a small village, there lived a dog named Max. Max was not just any dog, he was loyal to a fault. Every morning, he would accompany his young owner, Timmy, to school. The two were inseparable. One day, Timmy forgot his lunch on the kitchen table. Max sensed something was wrong. He raced to the school, dodging cars and jumping fences, determined to deliver the lunch. As Max sprinted through the village, everyone watched in awe. "Look at him go!" they exclaimed. But just as he reached the school, a fierce storm rolled in. The wind howled and rain poured down. Max hesitated, unsure if he should go inside. But then he thought of Timmy. With a burst of courage, he dashed through the door, lunch bag in mouth. Timmy was shocked to see Max. "You came all this way for me?" he gasped. The teacher smiled, saying, "Loyalty is a rare treasure." That day, Timmy learned that true friendship means going the extra mile. No matter the obstacles, Max became a village hero, teaching everyone the value of loyalty and love.